Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea hotel style. First, select a high-quality tea, whether it's a premium tea bag or loose leaf. Next, ensure you use fresh, filtered water, heating it to the correct temperature for your chosen tea type. Before brewing, always preheat your teacup or teapot. This simple step helps maintain the tea's warmth, ensuring a more enjoyable and authentic hotel-style experience from the very first sip. Now, let's perfect the brewing. For black tea, steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. Green tea, however, requires a shorter steeping time, typically 2 to 3 minutes. It's crucial to remove the tea bag or infuser promptly once the desired time is reached to avoid overextraction and bitterness. Using a timer can help you achieve consistent results every time, ensuring your tea is perfectly balanced and flavorful. To truly elevate your tea to hotel standards, consider the accompaniments. Offer a selection of milk, cream, fresh lemon slices, or honey. Presentation is key. Serve your tea in an elegant cup with a matching saucer. Don't forget a small spoon and perhaps some sugar cubes for a complete and refined experience. These thoughtful touches transform a simple cup of tea into a luxurious ritual, just like you'd find in a fine hotel. Finally, it's time to enjoy your masterpiece. Allow the tea to cool slightly before taking your first delightful sip, appreciating the aroma and flavor you've carefully crafted. Take a moment to relax and savor this perfectly brewed, aromatic tea. Remember, staying hydrated is important, so check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your hotel-style tea experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.